Hey, Wildwood scientists, roots are amazing. For a long time, we considered them to be a very simple system, just like they were straws or something sucking up water. But now we've discovered that there's much more beneath the surface. A plant's root system has senses, kind of the way we have senses. It can sense water, nutrients like food, and even gravity. Today we will do a simple experiment with beans or some kind of germinated seed to prove that they can sense gravity. In this experiment, you will just observe how gravity affects roots, and if your roots can tell which way gravity is, which way is down and which way is up. So here's a very simple experiment. You just need a container, at least one or more germinated beans or seeds, and a wet paper towel. So step one is to get your container, take off the lid and put it flat on the counter. Step two is to carefully dampen the paper towel. I'm just going to dip it in this bowl of water I have. Ooh, got a little soaking wet, but that'll do. Actually, I missed some of the sides, so I'm going to use the drip technique of just doing this. Yeah, I think that's damp enough. Doesn't have to be soaking. Alright, step three is to place your beans so that the root tips are facing straight away from you, just like this. I'm going to show you what this looks like once they are securely placed. Kind of like this, so that you can tell, let me move this one up with the bigger root, that the roots are going straight this way. And sometimes they wobble around like that. So step four is to take the other side of the paper towel, this part that's sticking off and hanging off right here, and to flip it up, to put it over your beans. This way, surface tension from the two damp sides of the paper towel will lock them in place. I don't know if you could even tell, but I can see because the paper towel, when it's wet, is a little bit see-through, translucent, that the roots are going straight up. Check that out. So step five, put on the lid, click it, that keeps the water in there. And then to prop it up against the wall, my roots, remember, are facing this way, so I'm going to make sure that now they're facing up. Oh, I see them even in there. And come back and check on them in a couple days. Step seven is to share your results and observations on Seesaw with me. Maybe it's going to work, maybe it's not. I can't wait to see your results. And I can't wait to see the results of these beans. Good luck.